Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are good. I know it's been a while since I posted. Like, this is my on and office. It's so terrible, but I'm sorry. I've just been, you know how life is. That life just comes at you with so many things, work and all that. But anyways, I'm gonna try and plus the fact that I haven't really had any zeal to like post up any videos lately. I've just been, but anyways, I'm here today to bring you, or today's video is going to be on a PR haul. So recently, while I was away, I got a PR package from a new beauty company, and this beauty company was started by my very good darling friend here on YouTube. Her name is Shauna. I'm going to insert a picture of her here. I'm sure you guys have heard me say, I'm sure you've heard me talk so much about her on my channel. But anyways, so Shauna has come out with a beauty line called Shaun's World. I'm gonna put the logo here. So recently she reached out to me and she was like, girl, I'm about to start my own product line, and I want you to be part of this journey. So I was like, oh my gosh, yes, like I love her so much. Like, she is the bomb. Like, she's amazing. She's an amazing soul. So when she reached out to me, I was like, hell yes. Like, this video was supposed to be out like last week, but I was seriously ill. Like, in fact, the way the sickness just came in, I think it was sickness coupled with stress, working day in, day out. Like, I just needed to take a break. Like, take a break from YouTube, take a break from, honestly. But anyways, guys, so if you would like to see what I got from Shaunzbeauty, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, let's jump right into this haul. Okay guys, so my PR package, this is what I got in the mail. This is, I've ripped it open already, but this is what I got in the mail. Just this envelope, and yeah. So basically, I'm going to show you guys what came inside the envelope. So the envelope came with 2 lashes. I'm actually wearing one of them, one pair right now, and this is the second pair of lashes that came in the package. I think you guys can see it. So their names are Shauna, which is what I'm wearing today, and the second one is Starry. So these are 3D silk mink lashes. Like, I'm gonna post up a video right now showing you guys what the lashes look like. So this is a close-up of what the package looks like. It comes in this beautiful casing, and it's sealed with this plastic wrap. So opening up the lashes, these are what the lashes look like. You open up the casing. It's a pretty easy casing, and I love the glitter at the base of the glitter design at the base. So touching these lashes, OMG guys, these lashes are super soft. Like, what? I felt like soft lashes, but there's just something about this. I don't know if it's the fact that it's silk. I've never tried silk lashes before. The lashes I always use are either mink or the normal lashes, but these lashes, guys, are so soft. Like, just look. Can you see how beautiful these lashes look? Like, they have multi-layers, they have multi-layers, and there are some long hairs. Just so gorgeous. Like, I am so in love. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so proud of Shauna at like being it was just so hush. Like, we talk a lot on WhatsApp and everything, but even when she wanted to say something, she was like, no, she's not gonna tell me until I get the package. So I'm so proud of you, girl. I'm definitely rooting for you, girl. Like, ooh, I can't wait for more products to come up from the lash line. So this is what the other pair of lashes look like. This is the Starry. This is the Starry silk mink lashes. This is more of a shorter inside and coming out wispy, so I can't wait to rock these lashes. So also inside the PR package, it came with this really cute mirror. Like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. Like, it's like a double-ended mirror, which is like so beautiful. Then lastly, it came with a note. Okay, so it says, "Hello doll, you're officially a Shaunzbeauty babe. How exciting. I do hope you love your lashes and will look even more beautiful when you pop them on. Thank you so much. Lots of love, Shauna." Oh, thank you so much, Shaunzbeauty, for these beautiful lashes. I'm definitely going to rock the life out of them. Like, I'm going to really use them very well because they're amazing. And I really like how the packaging is. Like, you just slide and you're good to go. Slide them out, which is so cool. So guys, this is the PR package I got from Shaunzbeauty. Hopefully I'm going to bring you, as more products come out, I'm going to, you know, let you guys know or keep you guys informed of all the other products which will be launching. And if you guys would like to purchase any of these lashes, the website Shaunzbeauty is officially up and running. It started officially on the 23rd of this month, so you can go to their website and order the lashes and any other products that they have. I'm going to put the link up here and in my description box, so if you're interested in getting either these lashes or any other product that they come out with from Shaunzbeauty, be sure to click the link down below. So some of her lashes retail from between 12 to 13 pounds. So if you're interested in getting any of her products or any of her lashes, I'm going to put the link down below, so be sure to click on the link and support my girl. And also, one more thing, these lashes are like so lightweight. Like, if you're those kind of people that you don't like heavy lashes, you don't want anything like, you know, like as if you're floating or flying, these lashes are bomb. Like, I can't even feel that I'm wearing lashes. That's how lightweight they are, and they are so gorgeous. Okay guys, so this is my PR package haul. I hope you guys liked this video. Please do support my girl Shauna. Go to her website, shaunzbeauty.com. I'm going to put the link down below, so if you'd like to shop for any of her lashes or any of the products that come out in the future, please be sure to visit her website. Link, like I said, link is below. Anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I would truly and greatly appreciate it. And if you're an oldie but goodie, thank you guys so much for coming back. Until my next video guys, stay blessed and stay beautiful. Bye. Mwah.